गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट साइंस चैप्टर 2 है। आज आपका न्यू चैप्टर है ये माइक्रोनिज्म्स फ्रेंड एंड फो। सर्टेन organisms which are too small to be seen with naked eye are called microorganisms. Microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups. कितने मेजर ग्रुप्स हैं? 4। कितने इसमें डिवाइड किया है उसको? 4 ग्रुप्स में। 1 है बैक्टीरिया, 2 है फंगी, 3 एनेक एंड 4 प्रोटोजोआ। Viruses are also microorganisms but they differ from the other microbes. Viruses are obligatory intracellular parasites. Virus is a connected link between non-living and living. Microbes are unicellular. Example: bacteria is protozoa, Chlamydomonas, etc. Or multicellular. Examples: Spirogyra, Penicillium, Aspergillus, etc. Microorganisms can live alone or may live in colonies. Some are free living and others are intraparasites. Microorganisms can survive under all types of environment, ranging from ice cold climate to hot spring and deserts to marshy lands. Some microorganisms are beneficial to us. They are used in the preparation of curd, bread, cake, alcohol, medicines, wine, vinegar, etc. They decompose organic waste and convert into harmless and usable substances. Rhizobium bacteria and blue-green algae are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. Fermentation. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol anaerobically is called fermentation. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? fermentation बोलते हैं. Antibiotics. Antibiotics, chemical substances produced by some microbes, can kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms are called antibiotics. Example है penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin, etc. Antibodies. Our body produces specific substances against disease causing microbes entering in our body are called antibodies. Several scientists gave their contribution in the field of microbiology. Number 1, Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation by yeast and pasteurization of milk. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin antibiotic. Dr. Edward Jenner discovered vaccine for smallpox. Robert Koch discovered Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax disease. Pathogens disease causative microbes are called pathogens. Next है communicable diseases. Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person or healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact are called communicable disease. Example: common cold, cholera, tuberculosis. Carriers. Some insects and other animals who are responsible for spreading pathogenic microbes are called carriers. Example, house flies are carrier for the bacteria causing cholera and typhoid. Female Anopheles mosquito carries malarial parasites. Female Aedes mosquito carries dengue virus. Preservatives. Some chemicals used to check the growth of microorganisms are called preservative. Example है sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfite, nitrogen cycle. Cycling movement of nitrogen between atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and living organism is called nitrogen exercise. ये आपका चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन हो गया। इसको आपको रीड करना है, ठीक है।